I want you to imagine a world where a secret society holds the key to controlling reality. These individuals, who become some of the most powerful and influential people in all of human history, have shaped the course of our minds and of humanity. Right? It sounds kind of unbelievable. But get ready to have your mind blown, because this society actually exists, and they're known as the Freemasons. Of course, there's many famous members like Benjamin Franklin and Mozart and Buzz Aldrin, the astronaut from the Apollo 11 mission who's a 33rd degree Freemason, British Prime Minister Winston Churchill, and many speculate that famous Hollywood celebrities like Jay-Z are also high-ranking Freemasons, but it is important to note that while others I listed earlier have confirmed, they do not have confirmation from Jay-Z. He's never publicly said that he's a Freemason or his degree status. But people speculate due to his lyrics and the symbolism he does when he goes like this and stuff. But without concrete evidence or an official statement from Jay-Z himself, it remains speculative and mysterious, just like the rest of Freemasonry. Now, regardless of the famous members, the secrets of the Freemasons run much deeper than that. They've been rumored to have influenced major historical events, from revolutions to the founding of nations, and for generations they've guarded these secrets with the utmost privacy. And now it's pretty much hidden in plain sight with the internet and the information that is now available to everyone in the world. So let me introduce you to a pretty interesting guy, a 33rd degree Freemason at the highest rank in this society. His name's Manly Pauler Hall, and it took him over 19 years to get to the level of 33rd degree Freemasonry. And he wrote a book, The Secret Teachings of All Ages. And in that book, he breaks down the Masonic teachings to control reality with the power of your mind. And that was really the first book that became a huge mainstream that exposed some of the teachings on the metaphysical nature of Freemasonry. And in this video, I'm going to break down 3 of the main components of this 33 degree knowledge and how you can use it to control your reality without doing a deal with the devil. Now, number 1 is the Matrix conspiracy, right? Have you ever wondered if we're all just living in this cosmic version of the Matrix? And the Freemasons have contemplated this for centuries. They believe that the world we perceive is just an illusion, and behind these scenes, there's a hidden reality that's waiting to be revealed. And in pop culture, most people have briefly heard of the Freemasons and them being synonymous with the likes of the Illuminati. And you may be familiar with all that occult symbolism we talked about earlier, the pyramids and the all-seeing eye. But after that surface awareness, most people don't know much. Right? The Matrix, reality being an illusion, the all-seeing eye on the pyramid, they're all of great importance to Masonic teachings. The all-seeing eye, for example, is a symbol to them that represents the supreme being, as they believe we're all under the watchful eye of what they call the great architect of the universe. And in order to join, you must believe in the existence of a supreme being or supreme intelligence. And this simply means that you believe that there's something beyond this material world, whether it be God or an unknown force. And one must believe that there is this hidden answer to our existence. Masons teach that Muslims, Jews, Hindus, Mormons, Buddhists, Christians, all religions, regardless of your personal religion, are spiritual sons of God. And this means that no matter what your religion, you can still be a part of this mysterious club of Freemasonry. Now, their belief in this supreme being leads way to their belief in this multiverse idea. One of the Masonic teachings that I found fascinating is this multiverse idea. Freemasons have their own take on quantum physics and the quantum world, that they speculate that every single fabric and cell of our being is woven through these subatomic quantum threads, and it creates a choose your own adventure book reality that's based off of your own perception. And 33-degree Freemasons contemplate the existence of parallel realities and how to manipulate reality using your own consciousness. So basically, it's like reality is a giant game of what if. And at every moment, your imagination is creating your own reality, that you're in this infinite spectrum of possibilities, and how you direct your consciousness is how you control and create reality. So they believe in a supreme being, that this physical reality isn't all, that we live in this parallel reality, this parallel world, and third, that God is within you. In Manly Hall's book, The Lost Keys of Freemasonry, he summarizes his 33rd degree wisdom from 19 years as a Mason by saying God is glorifying himself through the individualized portions of himself, and is slowly teaching these individualized portions to understand and glorify the whole. Right? This is not exclusive to Freemasonry. For example, the origins of the word desire means of the Father, or being of God. Day is of, and sire is God or Father. So desire is, your desires are of the Father. So if we look at that book, The Lost Keys of Freemasonry, and that quote again, he says, God is glorifying himself through the individualized portions of himself, and is slowly teaching these individualized portions to understand and glorify the whole. And if desire means of God or of the Father, what if your desires are really God expressing itself through you? What if you are just a divine, individualized portion of the great architect of the universe? What if all of your dreams and desires can become a reality simply because your desires themselves are God glorifying itself through you? Not merely so you can just obtain physical stuff in this reality, but so that you can slowly learn the true nature of reality and your divine place in it. That God is speaking through you with your desires. And if there is a supreme intelligence, and everything in the material world is just energy, and there's all these other realities that are vibrating outside of this dimension, then it really is like the Matrix, or like a choose your own adventure book, where you're navigating reality based off of your own perception. And Freemasons believe that their visions, their dreams, their goals are not only bestowed upon them by God, by the universe, but that it is literally God or the universe working through them. So there's no doubt that they're going to become real. Now, I am not a Freemason. There are going to be a bunch of comments, is there a secret society? But think about that idea, right? Like, I'm kind of one of those persons. I've read books on Islam, on Christianity, and now these teachings on Freemasonry, and I always try to find the things that work for me best and just pluck them. So I think the main thing out of there is that God is working through you, that you're an individualized portion of God, and it's working through you. So think about what it is that you want, anything that you really desire in life. And when you start to view it as God working through you, then there's no doubt that it's going to become reality. Just as sure as pretty soon, over that cliff over there, the sun's going to pop up. It's the exact same certainty that your dreams will become a reality. And one of the things that changed my life was hypnosis, because I had all these crappy belief systems when I thought of myself as just a physical body. And I started using a Success Hypnosis MP3 to reprogram my mind. And you can check it out for free right there down below. It's jakeshypnosis.com. And you can just listen to it for like 5 to 10 minutes a day and start to reprogram your subconscious mind, to train your brain to start to essentially manipulate the matrix and create what it is that you really desire. So there you have it, my friend. Some of the most important, in my opinion, teachings of this secret club that we weren't invited into. And you can use these to create your own reality. So if you enjoy this video, give me a comment down below that says, I love this video. Woke up at sunrise just for you. So if you enjoy it, smash the like button on this video. Check out my free success hypnosis. It's jakeshypnosis.com, pinned to the comments and in the description right there down below. And here's another video you can click on now that I think you're really going to enjoy.